sing day. We figured we'd be the same exact person on the Village People for you today. All right, we have core and back today. Let's go and grab those weights, medium to heavy. You might need one at least heavy. So if you have a dumbbell, grab one heavy dumbbell and a mat, because we're going to be on the floor doing some core and back, okay? So what we're going to do is we always start out with our warm-up. Let me grab my timer. Good morning, guys. Thank you for jumping on. We have our warm-up. We're going to get right into core and back, and then we're heading into our stretching at the end. All right, so let's turn on this workout. These watches. That workout. Okay, I'm putting on my strength. Here we go. 35 seconds, jumping jacks, and go. Going right into it this morning. I'm gonna lose my hat. Good, keep going, keep going. Hi, Mom. Hi, guys. Jumping on. We're here for your construction needs. I don't know what we can fix. Not much. Shout out to Garrity for the reflective vest.
It's the longest 35 seconds of my life.
Right? And squats. Go. Down, up, in, X, X. And jumping jacks, go. I'm going to have to fix my hat after. I thought I didn't need it as tight, but I guess I do. It's popping up and down.
Clearly you don't have much up there to hold it in.
That's right. Remember, I gotta get right into this workout today. We're working it. Keep going, keep going. You have about 10 seconds. Good morning. Thanks for jumping on. All the construction people. Losing it, losing it. These people, squats, are still working, so we thank them as well. Good, let's bring it up and out. Up and out. Good, let's bring it behind you. I hope you all are having a great day. Here in Rhode Island, it's a little rainy, but we're still gonna work out today. Side to side, get our sweat on. Core and back, we isolated to do 2 muscle groups today. Okay, I hope you're ready for tomorrow's. Roll those arms forward. And back. In and out. Should reset my timer. Okay, bring your arms up, throw them down the back. In, X, in. And let's open up those shoulders. Here, out, and out. Good. Out, and out. Keep going. Out, and out. Love the outfit. I'm sure you do. Out, and out.
I'm gonna guess that was for my husband.
No, it wasn't. It was actually from Ray. Both at the same time.
Alright, well I get that too.
Yeah. From Robin's husband. Out. Good. Shake it out. Shake it out. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. We're going to do 4 rounds, 2 rounds at one time before switching. Nicole is modifying, so please watch her if you cannot get down to your back. All right. So I'm going to do toes up and reach while she's going to be doing seated crunches. Okay. So if there's something that you cannot do that I'm doing, follow Nicole, please. All right. So we're going to stay here for two rounds. Grab a weight if you'd like a weight to give yourself a challenge. Your toes will go up into the air, holding your weight up and reaching. Okay, I should probably face this way. And then Nicole's seated, nice and tall. She's going to take her belly button and go in towards her spine and sit back up straight. Okay, here we go. 35 seconds in 3, 2, go.
The most amount of bright clothing I've worn in my entire life.
I know, these clothes are bright! People are going to drive by and stop thinking there's like a flash of light in here. Nope, it's just that. Let's keep going. Maybe here, stuck in my shoe. I'm like a hot mess over here. That's every day.
I was gonna say that's not any different from the
All right, rest. One more time. And then we're going to lay for Superman pullbacks. But if you can't sit down, I'll lay on your stomach. Follow Nicole. Up, up. Halfway. Whoops, on my head. Lost my head. Lost my helmet. Here, I'll use this.
It's a hot mess today, guys.
Hot mess. 3, 2, and time. Onto your stomach. You're gonna do Superman pullbacks. You're here, you lift up. She's standing up to do it, so watch her. And go. Pull back. Squeeze those shoulders down your back. Elbows go in towards your rib cage. Just lift up the upper body. Ten seconds. And rest. Do it again. And then we're back to our backs for sprinter sit-ups after this. If you need to be seated, follow Nicole. She'll do a different version. Up. Up. Halfway. Whew. Something in my eyeball. Just my hair. 5, 4, 3, 2, onto your back, sprinter sit-ups. We lay it all the way back. You come all the way up, twist. All the way up, twist. She has single leg V-ups. Go. Go up and twist. You have single leg, yep.
Thank you.
And up, she wants to twist. She twists on the next floor.
Combining everything.
Yeah, why not?
One big core exercise.
Ten seconds. Core should be burning. Good morning, everyone. That was my hat today. And rest. One more time. And then we're going into a plank renegade row. So you'll only need one weight. Go.
Oh. Thank God you guys aren't here for that one.
You can smell that one. Eggs and spinach or egg whites, I should say. Spinach and turkey pepperoni. 3, 2, and time. Grab one weight. Renegade row, so you're in a high plank. And we're rowing. Otherwise, follow Nicole. You can stay elevated. Go. If you have to drop to your knees, so you're on the floor, you can drop to your knees, but give yourself a challenge by doing at least a couple up before switching, before getting down to your knees. Ten seconds, then we'll do the other side. One more. Switch, other side. I'll come up and read the comments in a few. And go. After this, we're going to lay right back down onto our backs. Or seated, if you need a seated core exercise, follow Nicole. Halfway. And time. On your back or on your bench. We're going to do butterfly sit-ups. So, let me give you a pause. So your feet together, the soles of your feet, all the way down, all the way back up. Ready? She has Russian twist. Side to side. Go.
Woo! I haven't had coffee yet today, guys.
Same, sorry. But we're getting right into it today, aren't we?
Ain't no rest for the wicked.
Nope. My core is already burning. I hope yours is burning too. If it is not, add a challenge by adding a weight. 10 seconds. And rest. Go one more time. And we get to stand up for bent over reverse flies. 3, 2, go. Ten seconds. Woo. One more. And time. Grab your lighter weights. We're going to do reverse flies. 3, 2, and go. Open wide. Open wide. Keep going. Good morning. You rock my world. We hope so. We really hope so. Look at all these people jumping on. Thank you for a nice Wednesday hump day. Jumping on. Hi, Kelly. I hope you're doing well. We love you. Hope everything's all right in the hospital. Keep going. 10 seconds. All right, let's rest. Do it again. After this, we're going into teapots. I'm a little teapot. Go.
Short and step.
Good. Make sure you're at that hip hinge. Back is flat. Halfway. All right, put them down. Grab your heaviest weight. Okay, we're gonna grab plates. All right, we have plates. We're gonna do I'm a little teapot. You're just gonna work side to side. Ready? And go. Inhale, exhale. In, X. I'm not letting my arm pull this weight up. I'm just letting myself go side to side. Imagine you have a piece of glass in front of you and behind you. You can only go side to side. We're working these obliques here. In, X.
My hat's so heavy.
A little extra weight up there. 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. We're switching sides. In 3, 2, and go. Good. Keep it up. And next we're going into single arm rows. So you want that medium weight if you have it. Medium to heavy. Ten seconds. 3, 2, and rest. Grab that medium to heavy weight. Single arm row. Okay, so you can lunge it to pull up, or you can put your hand on a bench or something elevated. Go ahead. Halfway. Good. Keep going. This is the best, right? Isn't it? The best outfit. And switch. Why not? We're just gonna leave and just go join another construction site a couple blocks away.
I wonder if they would notice.
I don't think they would notice. Hi, we're here. The steward sent us. Right?
You could be the flaggers.
Yeah, we'll be the flaggers. I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. Ah! We're gonna run away. 15. And then we have shrugs after this. You're gonna grab that other heavy weight. And we're gonna go, I don't know, with our shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Grab that other weight. Medium to heavy. We're gonna go, I don't know. Go. Shoulders right up in the ears. Squeeze the traps. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Up. Up. So we're trying to fatigue out this core and back. My traps are feeling it right now.
Do you ever notice you can't not make like an ugly face when you do these?
Yeah, I know. The lip starts to quiver, like the Elvis lip.
It's kind of funny when you see the guys at the gym with their like 1,000-pound weights and they're like,
Go.
Exactly. I was like, you have to go to the bathroom? Like, what are you
It's just shrugs.
What's the
It's
problem?
We get something planned for Friday. Fun workout for Friday. Make sure you're back. You don't want to miss it live. It's going to be hilarious. All right, grab a drink. Grab a drink, then we'll go back to the top. All about the strength today, all about the strength. Core and more. All right. Who's ready for round 2? I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ready? So back onto the floor. Toes up to crunch. We're doing seated crunches. Ready? In 3, in 2, and go. Give myself a little break from the helmet. Halfway. Keep going. Five, 4, 3, 2, and rest. We're gonna do it again. This is the last one. Make it good. Try and get more reps than you ever did before in these last 3 rounds. And go. Keep it up. Halfway. Push through. Next, we're back on our stomach for the Superman pullbacks. 5, 4, 3, 2, and flip it over. And go. Lift. And lift. Alright, so this morning, the town in China, where it all started from, actually finally lifted their 76th day at home confinement. So they lifted the stay-at-home ban. It was kind of crazy knowing that some people were separated for almost 90 days. Rest. I was like, oh. They still have to do social distancing and everything, wear masks. After this, we're going to sprinter sit-ups, or single leg V-ups on the bench, or a chair. Ah. 10 seconds.
Ooh, my arms.
2, and flip it over, sprinter sit-ups. 3, 2, go. After this, we have plank renegade rows. 10. Rest. One more time. Feeling that. Go. Also feel my eggs coming up.
Oh.
Still.
What time did you eat them? Like right before you came?
Like 8. Like an hour ago.
Good Lord.
They're just like, hey, just to let you know we're in here. Haven't fully digested yet.
Keep working out. Keep going.
Keep going. 10 seconds. Flip it over, renegade row. Grab that weight. Go. Separate those feet for better stability. If you want more of a challenge, put them together. Halfway. Let's switch sides. Remember, keep that shoulder right over the wrist, butt today's down. Do a few before you have to drop to your knees if you have to. Go. After this, we're back to our back for butterfly sit-ups. Squeeze this core. Squeeze the glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Okay, butterfly sit-ups on your back. Slow your feet together. Or you're doing Russian twists. Go. Nice and controlled. Halfway. Rest. One more time.
I hate your stomach. Your eggs are gonna come faster.
Go. It sounds like it's empty.
It's definitely not empty.
Definitely not. Aiden was funny yesterday. Decided the boys and toots. They think it's hysterical. So do I, but he goes, Mommy, watch. Tooted so loud. He goes, haha, I tooted. And he was so excited. I was like, alrighty then.
Doesn't get any better when
No.
you get older.
And time. Stand up. We have now reverse flies. Bent over reverse flies. Hip hinge. Back stays straight. And go. Open. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Yes, thank you for jumping on. Huge shout out. We already know to Garrity Construction, is it?
Asphalt reclamation.
Thank you.
Get it right.
Get it right. I just want to make sure we have it right here. Nice little shout out. Rest. Doing it again. What's after this? Teapots. We're gonna sing it this time?
Yep.
Okay.
I
Go.
don't remember all the words, but
Yeah.
I'll just start walking. Actually, I feel like it's writing like nursery rhymes.
Yeah.
Once you
Well, wait, just wait. Like, with Aiden, I was like, I remember that. Oh, wait, when I went to go sing it, no, I don't. End time. Grab your heavyweight, teapots. Go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me up. Alright, that's it. That's all we're gonna do today. That got us halfway.
we sound exactly like those people too.
YMCA. I don't know the rest. That's all I know.
Love to stay at the YMCA.
5, 4, 3, 2, rest. We're gonna do the other side.
They got everything. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Go.
YMCA.
Good. Keep breathing. Inhale. X. In. X. We are halfway. If this is too much, grab a lighter weight or no weight. After this, we have single arm rows. 3, 2, and rest. Single arm row. Here. 3, go. Up. Keep going. Keep up the good work, ladies. Thank you. We're trying to give you all different types of workouts that can be performed at home with little to no equipment. You can find us also on YouTube under Stacey Vinegro Fitness. We have been uploading them there, so if you know somebody who does not have Facebook, send them the workouts via YouTube. 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch. Other side. 3, 2, and go. Up. After this, we have shrugs and a finisher. That's it.
Oh boy.
It's been 28 minutes. Halfway. Good. Keep going. Up. Five, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Grab that other weight. Shrugs. And then we have our finisher. Go.
Finish her.
Finish her. Finish him.
I like this looks even funnier when my arms look so big.
With the sleeves. With the sleeves. The sleeves. Up. Up. Finish. Alright, go into the finisher. Go. Almost there. All right. Grab a drink. Grab a drink. Grab a drink. Finisher. I'm going to show you really quick. We have medium to light weights here. You're going to do bent over rows with your palms facing me, pulling the weights up to right underneath your chest into your rib cage. We're going to do 20 seconds here and then hold for 10. Okay? 20 seconds again. Hold for 10. 20 seconds again, hold for 10. Then we are going to just do a 90-second plank hold to finish. Okay? 90 seconds. It's going to stink. We're going to shake, but it's okay. It's A-okay. All right. Grab those medium to light weights. Okay? We got 20 seconds on the clock. Row and hold. In 3, 2, go. Row. Now hold it up, squeeze the back, squeeze, 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 pinch those shoulder blades together, rotate the shoulders back. Round 2, go.
Oh, there's no rest here.
Nope,
Wow.
not today. Hold, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Go on, elbows up, a little higher. Go, last round. Ugh. If you need to lunge it, because say maybe your low back's hurting, lunge it. Hold, last one. Hold it higher. Time. Put the weights aside. We have a 90-second plank hold. You ready? You can hold it on your hands, you can hold it on your elbows, but we're going into it for 90 seconds. Let's change this clock. All right.
Woof.
90 seconds. You can elevate, you can drop to your knees. Or, you can elevate or drop to your elbows. Just try not to drop to your knees. Okay, so you can, if you need to switch from here and here, great. Try not to drop your knees. Here we go. 90 seconds on the clock. In 3, in 2, and go. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core. Your weight should be evenly distributed between either your hands, if you're on your hands, or your elbows. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads. It's the only way that you have an active plank. Stay out of those shoulders. Breathe. All right, we're 30 seconds in. If you need to change to your hands or your elbows, you can. Good, 45 seconds in, you're halfway there.
Oh, God.
Yeah. I'm shaking over here. Shaky, shaky. 30 seconds. This is it. Squeeze. Breathe. $15, you got it. today. All right, as always, stay with us for a few more seconds. We are gonna stretch, and let's bring it across. Stretch out the back of these shoulders and breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Good. We hope you all enjoyed that today, and please share this video out. Somebody may need it today, especially if they're in a rainy day situation like us. Breathe. So let's bring it in front. Stretch out those forearms. Good, good, good. Other side. Nice. Let's bring the hands in front. Try and separate them chin to your chest. Try and pull them apart. You'll feel a nice stretch behind those shoulders. This is one of my favorite stretches. Pull, pull, pull. Good. Let's open up the chest. Good. Get lots of water in today. Make sure you eat all your clean meals today. And have a wonderful, wonderful hump day. We will see you here tomorrow. High fives. You did it. You got it done. Thank you for joining us. And again, please share this video out. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. It's a great day to have a great day.